let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Now let's mix our ingredients together, starting with our green beans. Like this. And then we'll add our milk. And then let's add our cream of mushroom, just like this. And there we go. Now let's add our French dried onions. And now let's mix this together. Just like this. Move on to our next step. Now let's put our mix into our greased baking dish, just like this. And then let's spread it out a little bit, kind of like this. And now we can move on to our next step. Okay, now let's put this into our oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And I'll be back to show you the next step. Now let's put our remaining French dried onions over the top of our green bean casserole. And I'll show you the finished product. This is our finished product.